You give me blood, I will give you freedom. Whose slogan was that? Answer A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which country started the Renaissance in the world? Answer A. Italy. Who is called Napoleon of India? Answer C. Samudragupta. Where was the first music of Jainism? Answer B. Patliputra. Where did Lord Buddha give his first sermon? Answer D. Sarnath. Which Veda is said to be the organ of Indian music? Answer D. Samaveda. What year did the French Revolution begin? Answer C. 1789. Which of the following countries built by tannery? Answer D. All these. Who is considered the father of fascism? Answer A. Hitler. When was the People's Republic of China established? Answer C. 1949. Who was the hero of Chinese Revolution? Answer B. Sinayat Sen. In which year did the Russian Revolution begin? Answer B. 1917. Where was Buddha born? Answer A. Lumbini. Who built the stupa of Ranchi? Answer B. Ashoka. Who discovered Harappan city? Answer B. Dharamsani. The religious reform movement in Europe started with whose effort? Answer D. Martin Luther. Who gave the slogan of do or die? Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Who is called the patient of Europe? Answer C. Turkey. Which of the following people gave the slogan of one nation, one leader? Answer A. Hitler. Which one of the following countries was included in the alliance? Answer D. All these. Which Bismarck for unification of Germany? Answer A. Iran and blood policy. At which place did Mahatma Buddha receive Mahaparinirvana? Answer D. Kushinagar. Who gave the theory of scientific socialism? Answer C. Both A and B. When did the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics come into existence? Answer D. 1923. The World Social Protection Report is published by Answer B. International Labour Organization. Sadakat Ashram is related to which politician? Answer D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When did Indian Railways nationalize? Answer A. 1950. Who is the inventor of rail engine? Answer A. George Orwell. What was the distance covered by India's first train? Answer B. 34 km. Mudra Raksh is whose creation? Answer B. Vikas Dutt. Recently, KIC 983227 came in the discussion. Answer A. Two stars orbiting each other in space. At what time does the Earth make a rotation on its axis? Answer D. 23 hours 56 minutes and few seconds. How many sessions or parliament are held every year in general? Answer C. 3. Winbacks 2018 is a joint military exercise between which countries? Answer A. India and Vietnam. Where is Hawa Mahal located? Answer D. Jaipur. Where is Buland Darwaza located? Answer B. Fatehpur Sikri.